how to download Snapchat on PC emulator without any third-party files. So if you want to download Snapchat on PC emulator without any third-party files, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening a browser, you need to search for Snapchat for LD Player. After that, here you will have download Snapchat APK for Android. You need to click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. I need to go with download Snapchat APK and it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have two options, which is download APK for Android and Google Play. So you need to go with download APK for Android. And after a few seconds, you can see the download which is on top right. Go with full download history and wait for a minute till it downloads. Once the download is finished, you can just simply go and install it like any other regular app, then log into your account or create your account and use your Snapchat. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.